Hey, let me show you how you can manually enter for the pairing mode on the Redmi Buds for active. So in my case, as you can see, they are already in the pairing mode, but I'm going to show you how to do this manually. So first of all, I'm going to show you that I'm not connected with my phone. They are not on the save devices list. So now what I have to do is just to put both earbuds inside the case, then close it for a few seconds. Next, we'll have to open it and remove both earbuds from the case. Now we have to grab them together and click 3 times at the same time on the left and the right earbud like this. 1, 2, 3. And now we'll actually get the pairing request, so we can go into the pair new device. And now we can actually find our earbuds so we can pair them. Now I'm going to show you how it looks one more time. So as you can see, now I'm connected. And when I'm going to enter for the pairing mode another time, this connection will be not working anymore. So take a look. I'm gonna put them here into the case, close it, take it off. Now we are connected, as you can see, and let's make this gesture one more time. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, I'm not connected anymore, so I can choose it another time from the list. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.